girls, come here.
What you want for dinner? Ayla.
This is our first time to eat this, so I want a genuine
What's wrong with you?
reaction. Go get knife.
Why are
Small,
you
small
grumpy,
only.
Ayla?
Come here, Kyla. Over here. Sit down over here. Even you cover, Kyla, they can recognize you. You already, the daughter of Ohio Kinayo, whether you like it or not. Especially Kian, because her name sounds like Kian. Okay, this is our first time to eat. What is this now? This is old-fashioned fruit cake, the world famous fruit cake.
Ew.
Oh, world famous.
Ew.
Ew.
Okay.
So,
Try it.
just try. Okay. Kiana first. Kayla, later. So, this is fruits. Same. Kayla,
Try it. And see.
Try it.
Tell me what
Smells
it
bad.
what is smells like? Kayla, I want to see it. I want to see your
It's
reaction.
got nuts and stuff
Genuine.
in it.
It's supposed to be refrigerated. You guys don't listen to me.
Oh yeah?
After you open it.
After we open.
Yeah.
It's fruit. What?
Is it yummy?
You're going to throw up. How about you, Kayla? Wait, it's sweet.
Here, give me a piece of it. Let me see. I'm going to try it.
It's sweet.
Let's see.
I don't like that stuff.
Oh, that is the pasas. What do you call that, loves? Raisins?
Yeah,
I don't like the raisin.
Kayla, what is your reaction? There's a lot of raisin. It's still good. You just exaggerate when you say it's gross or something. What do you
Yeah,
do?
it's not horrible.
It's not horrible. Kayla, what can you
It's
say?
pretty close to horrible, though.
Yeah.
I don't like the raisins.
Here.
You don't like.
By the way, watch this. There you go.
I don't like the raisins.
I thought it's just like the
I don't
pudding.
like the raisins itself either.
Okay, I like it. Bread and fruits. They're good. They're just only extracts, guys.
No, I don't like raisins.
It's like dog doo-doo. What? It's like dog doo-doo. Dog doo-doo?
I want Dad's hamburgers.
Dog doo.
That's what I want for dinner.
Oh,
Really?
yeah.
You don't want pizza?
Since 1910,
Huh?
this is the,
I want
fruit cake.
cheeseburger.
You want a cheeseburger, then where are you going to
That's
go
all
get
you
cheeseburger?
contribute,
From you,
Kayla?
you make it.
Kayla, that's it?
That's it.
No, it's
Cheeseburger,
such a
fries. Fries.
Kylo, what do you want for dinner?
No, that's always. Ah.
What do you want?
Mother, you wanna try again?
Dad does homemade cheeseburger.
There
don't have no
is
hamburger.
What is the yellow loves? Ay, the green. What is this?
That's gummies.
Taste it.
That's gummy. That's
Pistons?
gummies.
No, it's not. It's not
That's
a gummy.
fruit. That's all I don't like.
What is that?
I'm done.
Just like gelatin loves. Gelatin.
Hang on.
There's a peanut. Too sweet. And what is this? Just red. Cherry. And then lots of raisins. World famous fruitcake. Not bad. Until April 10, 2026, loves. So I can still eat it. Mother, you wanna try?
No, I don't want to try that fruitcake. I'm not stupid.
Not stupid. Why? Only stupid people eat this?
I don't want to taste it.
Oh my god.
Give me a piece of the red, because I think that's maraschino cherry, I think.
Not cherry.
No.
What is that?
I don't know what the fuck it is, but...
Not stupid. She just like Kyla. Direct to the Oh, look at my husband and her reaction.
No.
You don't like it also?
Yuck. Taste and flavor haven't fucking changed, that's for sure.
Why they put it as famous fruitcake?
Hmm?
Famous, world famous.
Because they're the only ones still fucking selling it.
Imas pa puding ta
Oh,
Pilipinas.
some people love it.
Which is not bad. I like the peanuts. I like it. Kung na naman ni mother-in-law, only stupid. I'm not stupid, meaning only the stupid people eat theirs.